notified, but it's not successful. Made a path here earlier for aspen, but looks like it all snowed in. I'm gonna go in the backyard and scope out how bad it is over here. Oh shit. Wow. My AC unit's fully covered.